For an E1 visa, the eligibility requirements are similar to the E2. Some of the requirements are similar in that you have to show that the investors have the nationality of the trader country. So in a case where you've got an E1 applicant from the UK, those applicants also have to have British nationality. And then you're looking at the volume of trade, and you've got to be able to document that. Specifically over the last 1 year period. So it's ideal that you have trade over a substantial period of time, but it appears that embassies look closely at the last year. So you could have a situation where there might be a company that has been selling products to the US over a period of time, but maybe over the last year, that business has dried up. If they try to get an E1 visa, even though they can show in past years they've had trade engagements with the US, it may not qualify. So the most recent trade activity is the most relevant. So trade documentation, and that could be in the form of invoices and receipts and evidence of funds coming in from the sale of those items or the sale of services. And then you're looking at the individual who's going out to the US. What is their role going to be, and what has their role been for the company to begin with? I mean, it could be the actual the applicant who is engaged in the trade. They might have set up the business, so they're going to further enhance the trade. Or it could be someone who's new to the company who's going to help further the trade engagements in the US. That person could still potentially qualify. In the case of a scientist we worked with, that company wanted to send out a high-level scientist to be able to talk to clients about the product. And so although that scientist didn't have a lot of sales experience and hadn't worked with the company, they could understand the technology behind it and the science. And so we were able to show that person would qualify for an E1 visa as an employee of the business.